Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
In perfect self-control, Maharaj Parikṣit sat down on a seat of straw, with straw roots facing the east, placed on the southern bank of the Ganges, and he himself faced the north. Just previously he had given charge of his kingdom over to his son. The river Ganges is celebrated as the wife of the sea. The seat of Kusha straw is considered to be sanctified if the straw is taken out of the earth complete with root, and if the root is pointed toward the east, it is considered to be auspicious. Facing the north is still more favorable for attaining spiritual success. Maharaj Parikṣit handed over the charge of administration to his son before leaving home. He was thus fully equipped for all favorable conditions.